how do you save a data source to be used in a separate workbook in Tableau? I have a data source here called Sample Superstore, and I'd like to use it in a different workbook. I'm going to show you two ways to reuse that data source. First, I'm going to save it as a TDS. Right-click the data source that you want to save, and click Add to Saved Data Sources. Now you can save it wherever you like. I'm going to put it in my Tableau repository under Data Sources. Now the data source is saved. Remember, this is the data source, not the work in the workbook, so this map does not exist in the data source. It's simply the data. If I want to open that data source in a new workbook, I can click File, Open, navigate to the file. This is the Sample Superstore Tableau data source. Click Open, and I can use that same data source in a new workbook. A second way to use a data source in a second workbook is to copy the sheet. So if I right-click my map, click Copy, navigate to my new workbook, right-click on the bar, click Paste, the entire map comes over along with the data source. And that's two ways to save your data source and use it in a new workbook. Hope this helps.